Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We back with another one, guys. So AMC ended at $12.72. Well, that's what we trading at. In the after hours, we broke below that $12.90 support, guys. We seen today the numbers was playing out exactly how we thought it would. We started consolidating, holding off in that 12.90-ish range, guys. Then towards the after hours, as the overall market, larger cap companies like Facebook and so on started to collapse even further, and that would cause AMC to go down even further as well, guys. Like I told you guys, if the market came down like it did today and we seen a turnaround once we pulled back, we would have seen AMC turn around as well. But if the market wanted to go down a bit lower, AMC is going to go down lower as well. We know right now AMC GME is moving with the overall market. We should be doing our own thing, moving on our own frequency, guys. Just go ahead and take a look at it, see what we got coming up and what's going on in this crazy market. So U.S. stock Seaweed Wednesday to kick off June, ending the first trading session of June in a negative territory as investors weigh the outlook for the economy, inflation, and the Federal Reserve's interest rate path. Goddamn ant. So anyways, guys, the Dow Jones fell 0.5% today, while the S&P dropped 0.8%. The Nasdaq declined 0.7%. U.S. stocks turned negative as expectations grew that the Fed won't be easing up on its rate hiking campaign after solid U.S. economic data. Stocks tried to rally on this afternoon, but ultimately stumbled into the close. We seen right near power hour, as was expecting, we picked up a bit of steam, buying pressure, but it couldn't hold, couldn't sustain itself, and the market came down tumbling even harder in the after hours, guys. So we also know expectations grew that the Fed won't be easing up on its rate hiking campaign. So that's also a reason why the stocks had turned negative. Another signal that fears of an imminent downturn in the U.S. economy may be overblown. Also, J.P. Morgan boss Jamie Dimon warning of a hurricane bearing down on the U.S. economy. After rallying to start the trading session, the major averages slipped following the solid readings on the U.S. manufacturing sector, which were shortly followed by Dimon's comments at its investment conference. So you guys see it's a lot that's going on in the market right now. It's a lot that's been going on, a lot of choppiness, a lot of volatility, a lot of back and forthness, guys. But like I say, you definitely don't want to be left behind with all these cheap prices, regardless of what, they keep saying, oh, the market's going to come down even lower. It's going to keep coming down lower. And of course, they're going to keep saying that because nobody knows exactly where the bottom is. And eventually, when the market starts to be green day after day after day after day, they're going to be saying, oh, if you would have invested $1,000 in such and such company, you would now have $5,000 to $10,000, or however the case may be. You know how they like to put the stuff out afterwards and not before the fact. So anyways, guys, now is the time to be, investing in the companies that you like, the companies that you see that is going to be able to sustain their sales regardless of the fears that's going on in the economy. Companies that's still going to be, dominant during these times, that's still going to be demand. You definitely want to be, eyeing those companies and averaging in, guys, because the market isn't going to be this cheap forever, regardless of how it seems, or as if it's going to be this cheap and stay this cheap. It ain't going back up. That's a lie, guys. It definitely is. So anyways, let's take a look at AMC. AMC is sitting at $12.72, down over 10% today. Like I say, guys, if the market didn't turn around, the overall market didn't turn around towards the last hour of the day, then we knew AMC wouldn't turn around either, guys. So we will expect on tomorrow for a little bloody entry to start the day off. We probably see a lot of blood and then a quick turnaround way before lunchtime. Around probably 10:30, 11 o'clock, we should see that turnaround. And then around lunchtime, you'll see another sell-off. And then power hour, we should see the market pick back up, guys. So I don't believe this is going to fall over for the whole day on tomorrow like it did today. I do believe on tomorrow we will see some green, a little turnaround. And of course, it's still going to be volatile, a lot of choppiness throughout all this, guys. So while we wait for the market to do what it do, we will be catching plays, making plays in the meantime, aiming small, missing small, in order to, grow our portfolios during all this madness. So you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at The B Hayes Show. I love you. We out, and God bless you. We go.